Well, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. And today I've got an unboxing of reading from an Amazon advertisement here. The Walker Edison Fehr, Fehr, I don't know how you say that, modern four-door book match buffet, 58-inch in white, 280 bucks. Yeah, so I'm speeding the tape along because this took like a half hour to do this, and I don't want to make you sit through that whole thing. Here's the reveal. It's gently setting off and taking the time not to scratch everything. Our brand new buffet up. Buffet. So anyway, it's so you can see it's packed pretty well. I mean, everything had at least some padding between it. There was styrofoam around the edges. Frankie's helping out. That's Frankie the dog there.
Well, I'll start setting these. Oh, look, they have numbers on them. This is part number 10.
Yeah, and those numbers really helped out. I mean, the on the instruction book, there's a part letter, and that'll just keep you straight. It made it a lot easier. I'm going to do the video for the assembly, separately because this one's almost 5 minutes all by itself, even with the speeded up tape. So on the left, you can see the small parts. They're all packed separately in that little box. That'll be the legs, screws, little connectors, quite an assortment of little things. But it was all there, and there was an extra parts bag as well. So we were not short of parts anywhere.
What do you think, Frankie?
Frankie's a great help. He's our biggest cheerleader there. Continuing on, you can see all the holes are pre-drilled, and they use those just like a Kia or something. They're all quick turn locks, so the assembly didn't require any special tools. Just your screwdriver and a little Allen wrench,
Oh, here it is.
which was included.
Six. It's a 6.
Yeah, so 6. That helps you keep straight on which one goes to the left or the right or the center. And of course, 6 is underlined, so it's not a 9, right? There's the tops and the bottoms, and I just set those over to the side. So the assembly took maybe 3 hours to do it. It took a long time, just working carefully, but there were no real issues. I think if you're used to doing IKEA, you can easily put this together. I'm just putting out some of the parts so you can see, what you're going to get in the box. I'll do a separate video, for the assembly. I'll probably speed through it, try to keep it concise. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're just trying to build the channel up a little bit. Life in the suburbs. I'll go ahead and post a little video here of the end product. Right. This is how it ended up, and I think it looks quite nice. It's a very modern look, and the doors open and close smoothly. They have little magnetic locks on them. It was an inexpensive piece of furniture to fit that little space, and since we have that window that goes into the kitchen, this is a difficult place to put things, so this will work just fine. If you're looking for something like a small inexpensive little buffet, a table, and record albums fit in there too, so it worked out nicely for us. So take care out there, and well, just take care.